how to share story on Instagram to Facebook. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now as you can see, these are the updated settings, which means that this is in the new settings because I've actually made a video a month ago which is actually doing pretty well about the exact same topic, but Instagram just likes to completely change and overhaul their app and settings and whatever. So it's completely different now. I'm going to show you guys two methods in order to actually do this still. So yeah, what you want to do is simply go to your profile and then click on the top right corner on settings and privacy. Now over here, my settings are completely changed, like I said, and they look like this now. If your settings are still the old one, then you have to scroll all the way down and click on Account Center. For me, it's at the top nowadays, so I'm going to click on there. And once you are here in the account settings, for me, it looks like this because I have already connected my Facebook account to my Instagram account. If you haven't done that yet, then it simply just asks you to connect your Facebook account, or log into a Facebook account, or where it says add more accounts, something like that. It's actually super easy. You just have to log into your Facebook account. Now, on the old settings, it used to just say share across profiles or share across platforms. In the new settings, that is gone. So what you want to do is click on connected experiences. And once you've clicked on there, you want to click on sharing across profiles. And here you can actually see your Instagram account and your Facebook account. Now, share from Instagram, and then your Instagram story is what you want to enable. You can also enable the Instagram post, which is also pretty nice. So you want to enable that. And then if you want to also do it the other way around, so share your Facebook stories to your Instagram stories, then you can also click on there and enable it just like that. Now that is how you can do that. Now I have enabled this. And the second way to actually do this is if you simply go to your story, then at the top click on the settings icon. Then here select story. And then scroll down, it also says share your story to Facebook. Now I already enabled it, so I'm going to re-enable it just like that. And once you've done that, and you create a story, so let's say we just do this real quick. At the bottom left, it says you're also sharing to Facebook. Tap and hold to change. So if I hold it just like that, I can actually disable the Facebook story right there as well. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.